What is up, you guys? It's your favorite tarot reader, and I'm back. Except for I'm not back with another read. I'm back with Vlogtober day 6. What time is it? Let me see if I want to ride my bike or walk. It's 12:21, so I'm gonna ride my bike. But yeah, y'all, we are fin to head to the store. I'm hopping on my little cruiser. I'm hopping on my little bike, and yeah, I'm just going to the store to hopefully grab some sour cream if they got it, and a soda, because that's what I'm craving. And my nose is running like freaking crazy. So, let's see how this works. I also came out here to get, it's an ant in my cup holder. I also came out here to get Lovey, some stuff, some leaves and stuff to eat this morning. But yeah, y'all, it felt good today, so I might end up taking Kamaya to the park because it hasn't been like this in a while. It's been really, really, really cold. So, yeah. Ooh. Y'all, I'm praying my phone don't fall. But good morning. We vlogging today. We just finna vlog this bike ride real quick and go to the store and get what I need. This is gonna be my first time ever vlogging in public, but I ain't never scared. So, okay. I'm just gonna hold it for now because, hi, because I'm finna cross the street and I don't want my shit to fall. So Kamaya is at home eating pancakes. I just got her pancakes. I hate crossing the street on a bike. I swear I do. I really, really do. And it's my first time vlogging in public, y'all. Oh my God. I'm so nervous. Shit, goddamn, my legs hurting already. Because I ain't rode my bike in a minute, like a week. So much too damn hurting. Water, breath, and shit. It's kind of chilly. It's still pretty nice outside. I'm hella out of breath. Hella.
Hey, excuse me. You old enough to buy blunts?
Oh yeah.
You give me a sweet black and mild.
Sweet black and white.
Yeah.
Can I get a sweet black and mild? Thank you. Y'all got sour cream? Yeah, how much is it? $2.99. Damn. A smaller one?
No, we have something for
Okay. Okay, yeah, I'm gonna get the $1.99. Oh, they got some chocolate chip cookies. Damn, these $3.99. Okay, I'm gonna just get So this $2. Can I get a flat wrap? Peach. Grape. So 2 to 3, 4, 4. Yeah, that's it. How much are these?
150.
150. Okay. Let me get one of these. And that's all.
Okay.
Actually, I am gonna take a pickle. I am gonna take a pickle. Thank you. Appreciate it. Okay, y'all. Got the goods. I'm walking. Can I just get a double bag? Thank you. I appreciate it. Okay, y'all. We out here. So I did a good deed for today. Got our sour cream, so I think we're gonna make rotel tonight. Okay. Now, put my keys up. Take this off. I'm telling y'all, I hate crossing streets on the bike. I hate it, 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 boo. I hate it, boo. I hate it, boo. But I got everything that I needed. Got everything that I needed. I know y'all probably looking at me crazy because I bought that boy a black. But shit, if I was his age and I was stressed the fuck out, I needed me a motherfucking black, I want somebody to buy me one too. Shit, I don't get no fuck. That shit wrong with a little tobacco. Yeah, y'all. Today's vlog, I ain't really doing shit, not really doing much. Today I really want to get my house cleaned up. I told Jonathan that I want him to help me like deep clean everything. So like take all the stuff out the refrigerator and wipe it down. And do all that kind of stuff. My landlord came to get our rent yesterday, and he basically told us that he'll be doing showings and stuff, because I live in a duplex and my upstairs neighbors may be moving. So I feel like, shit, why not just clean my whole shit out? Like, why not just, it's the perfect time. And I got real bad allergies, and because you know the seasons is changing, and so I got real bad allergies. And what was I finna say? Oh, and I put on my heater. I finally put on the heat the other day, and I felt like shit. All the dust particles and all that, like, you really, it really do affect you. Like, you could tell that, like, you could just tell. You could tell that, I'm finna come out here and smoke real quick. I know there's a lot of people judging me, and there was probably a lot of questions when I was at the store and I asked for a flat wrap. I don't hide anything from y'all. I don't keep any secrets from y'all. Y'all know everything. And I feel like, who am I to only share the parts of my life that are good? So, yeah, come on in the house. I had bought me a pickle. I think I'm gonna eat the pickle with some chips. I ain't had a pickle in so long. But my baby is safe up in the house, y'all, because I know I got somebody in the comments like, where Kamaya? You just left her at the house. First of all, I left her with my phone. She has her thumbprint on my phone. She know how to call mama. She know how to call anybody. And y'all saw how long that took. It didn't take long at all. Somebody wrote me today on Facebook and was just pouring her heart out to me like, girl, you be coming to me in my dreams. I feel like you the chaos, the calm in the storm. And I was on the phone with Jonathan this morning while he was at work. And he was like, baby, people really love you. Like, you know, look what time it is on my stove. You can't tell me shit don't be divine. What I say? 12:33, baby, period. Let's go check out Kamaya. Show y'all what she doing. Show y'all what she doing, because she ain't doing nothing. Watch. Drinking water. This what she doing. You eating your pancakes?
No, I didn't eat my pancakes.
Eat your pancakes.
I'm gonna share.
Mommy did eat some. So yeah, I'm finna roll a blunt real quick. I bought this, y'all. I haven't had this in so long. It's a zesty garlic pickle. I haven't had it, but I figured I could try it. Like, I don't know, but yeah, my lips is hella dry. I don't feel good right now. Like, whenever I eat, what am I trying to say? Whenever I eat, sugar first thing in the morning, it make me feel really, really nauseous and sick. And can you please eat your food, honey bun?
Almost done.
You almost done? So yeah, whenever I eat sugar early in the morning, it make my mouth taste nasty and it throw me off. Like, it just, yeah, so I'm not really feeling all that great. Like, just, I don't feel super sick. I just feel hella nauseated, and I hate feeling like that. But yeah, I bought some sour cream because I'm gonna make some rotel tonight with some rice. I don't even know if I got no meat, like no vegan meat to put in the rotel, but even without meat, I think I'm gonna still make it, cause why not? Huh? You say you want mac and cheese? Y'all like Jonathan's shirt I'm wearing? Baby love when I wear his clothes. He think I look so good. So yeah, y'all. I need like a piece of gum or something. Oh, that's just the mailman. I was gonna hop on somebody's ass. Like, what the fuck you doing? But Yeah, I need some gum real quick or something. My mouth tastes so nasty. And I just brushed my teeth. And my mouth still tastes like that. Like I'm gonna go get a Tic Tac. I hate that. You doing such a good job. If you pregnant, and you know what I'm experiencing, leave a comment down below. I hate it. It make my whole insides feel like it's coming up. Also, I don't really know what to do with my rabbit anymore because he's getting older, and the older he gets, the more he realizes that he doing the same thing every day. Before he was in a cage in Kamaya's room, a big cage. Then we downsized him, moved him to a smaller cage in the basement because of Jonathan. Jonathan didn't feel like it was healthy for him to be in Kamaya's room because he would shit up in there and piss up in there. And then Jonathan went out of town for a whole month in July. He went to visit his grandma and help out his grandma and his great aunt. And while he was gone, I snuck and brung Lovey upstairs. And so now Lovey has been living in the kitchen. But it's starting to come with its own problems. If y'all have a rabbit, then I'm sure y'all probably know. But basically, he the shit and the piss is not the problem because he's potty trained. So he goes in one area of the house. If I was to buy puppy pads or something, it would probably be even better. Huh? Your feet cold? What you want, some socks? Okay, hold on. But yeah, so pretty much like he tired of being in the kitchen. So he finds stuff to do. Like he doing way more than he used to do. Like he's starting to like try to climb on the kitchen table. He hasn't gotten up there yet, but I'll catch him like on the cabinets, on the little clear containers, like the snack boxes and stuff. Like he'll climb up top of stuff and be just trying to do stuff. If you're judgmental, click off this video because I'm finna go outside and I'm finna smoke. Kamaya has school in a second, and I never really said much after we met at the store because I tend to observe people, and you seem like you said very open, but it was this fog that blocked you completely from my sight. I'm gonna read that afterwards because it sounds personal. Oh, fuck. I meant to get a lighter because Jonathan took the lighter today when he went to work. Because I was done smoking. But, I wanted to smoke this morning. I had got really, really irritated off of something. It was so small. Me and Kamaya was making pancakes together this morning. And I was about to film. And it was about to be cute. But, I mean, I know I film us making pancakes damn near every day. But this is my daily life. This is what I do on the daily. So, yeah. And I had walked away to go get... I told her that I was finna go put on her show. So, when the pancakes was done, because they was almost done, we was going to watch TV. I had to hurry up, put down the blend. Sound like she was finna come in here. What you doing? You touching that remote?
Yes.
Why? Your show went off? Okay. gotta go to school in a minute. Yep, in a minute. So it's 12:41. I got 15 minutes to go smoke this. That's all it's gonna take. So I'll be right back. Eat your food, Bush. You are eating? Good. I gotta get Levy some. I gotta get him some leaves from outside. Oh, but what I had got irritated about was the fact that I went to go put on Kamaya's show, and I had got distracted because I had a missed call from Jonathan and a text from him, and I was debating, like, do I want to call him back? He at work. And then I'm like, no, fuck it. I'll just let him call me on my break. And by the time I had that split thought, I came back in the kitchen, and Kamaya had poured Parmesan cheese and Himalayan salt on my she had poured it on my pancake, and after hers were already made, mine was the last one. She poured it on my pancake. So yeah, I'm gonna sit out here and just smoke with y'all. Yeah. So yeah, what made me want to film me smoking today was the fact that this morning I woke up and somebody had commented on an old smoke session video of mine, where I was talking about depression and how seeing other people with mental illness makes me feel good. It makes me feel better. And my smoke sessions really were really popular. Like, they were really popular. A lot of people tended to like them because they got pretty deep. But really my main thing is just that I feel like so often we go through life experiences and we feel alone during them. We feel alone while they're happening. And right now is not the time for that, if that makes sense. Like, I feel like there's a coming together of soul families. There is, like, not only, I feel like crystal children, like babies, are like in lines preparing to go to their mothers or preparing to go to their fathers. Even kids who will eventually be adopted, they are planning, you know, how am I gonna get to my parent? How am I gonna get here? How am I, like, soul partners are meeting up in the ethers. Like, if you are single and you've been manifesting a husband, your husband and you probably talking about where y'all gonna meet at or how y'all gonna meet. Shit is really being figured out, and that's what this quarantine was about, and that's why it's not over. We really gave us a whole year to kind of focus on one another again, to focus on the closeness of our relationships with our loved ones. Think about the people you have let go of your life because of COVID, and think about the people you have been drawn closer to during hard times. You know, think about the friends who truly check up on you, and the ones who don't. Think about the friends who you don't even need to check up on you, but you know, like, that person probably going through something, or y'all still rocking, or y'all have that relationship. Even relationships are really being tested right now. Soul partners are really going through a lot. Relationships are really being put through a test of time. If y'all haven't noticed, a lot of YouTube couples are either breaking up or not filming together as much, or you're noticing a shift. Or for some YouTube couples, they're even getting better. Their energy is different. they're in a position where they're happy now because maybe last year or the beginning of this year was their time to kind of go through shit. So right now, even if it doesn't seem like it, a lot of couples are going through a lot of families are going through a lot, parents going through shit with their children with this virtual learning. A lot of relationships are truly being solidified. So I just want my community to not feel alone in what we go through. So many mothers smoke weed. So many mothers are drug addicts to more serious drugs. And not that any of it is justified, but we all have our own life's purpose. If that mother wasn't addicted to heroin when the baby was born, maybe that baby wouldn't have been adopted into the family that it was adopted into and wouldn't have been the doctor and cured Alzheimer's. I don't know. I don't know. But it's so important that we allow our missions to be shared. You know, what we go through to be shared, because we are not alone. None of us are alone in our struggle and in our fight. All of us are experiencing to bug. A lot of us are experiencing the same things, and it's like none of us really feel like we can lean on one another. None of us really feel like we can call on one another. And to me, that's sad. You know, it's sad to not be able to lean on somebody. It's sad that you feel so sick every day. You can't eat. You don't have an appetite. You're dehydrated because you can't keep down water or your prenatals. And you look on Google or you look on YouTube, and the one thing that helped you, probably smoking weed, there's no information about it, or all the information is negative, or you know, that causes you to feel even more guilt or even more pain or even more stress on your pregnancy. And it's like, I don't want to be that for anybody. If there's only one video of somebody smoking while pregnant, let that be me. Let me be the voice to say, hey, I'm not perfect, and my child picked me. Like, this child knew all of this before I knew all of this. So who am I to deny myself my journey? Now, my first pregnancy, I smoked until the day that I found out I was pregnant. I told myself, like, damn, I'm gonna finish the rest of this and then I'm gonna stop because I'm still early. Bitch, no, I stopped right away. This pregnancy, however, is different. My life experiences are different. My pregnancy symptoms are different. It's getting cold. And somebody gotta get set up for school. But I feel like my mission is so much bigger than just my triumphs. I feel like my mission is my downfalls. It is my mistakes. It is the things that I'm gonna look back on and be like, I'm glad I did it so I can know why I shouldn't. Because for what I'm realizing with my daughter is that you're not just gonna automatically know not to do something. Sometimes you have to test that limit, test that boundary, or do it in order to see, hey, this is why I shouldn't have done that. Oh, I touched the stove and it's hot. Like, now I see why I shouldn't have done that. Or today, like, she put the Parmesan and the salt in there, and I should have just let her tasted it, and then she would have known, like, hey, okay, this doesn't go in there. Instead, I got an attitude. And I'm like, Kamaya, that was my pancake. Like, mommy didn't tell you to do that. Mommy told you to wait and to be patient. You should have been patient. And she was like, I'm so sad. And that's what she does. But it's like, I could have changed that narrative by just teaching her in that moment. Okay, you did something. It wasn't the right thing to do for you necessarily, but you learned from it. And now you're not going to do that again. We learned that together. She taught me that, and I could have taught her that, and now I'll know to teach her that for the next time. Again, togetherness, inclusiveness. Y'all could be watching me and never had a baby, not thinking about a baby, but now you know, hey, I don't don't know people. Who are we to judge people? You know, we're all human beings at the end of the day. We all are small, if that makes sense. Like, there's so much world to be discovered. So who are you to say what's wrong, what's right, what's to be judged, up, down? You know, like, that's the kind of stuff I think about. Like, who said that a chair is called a chair? Like, why the fuck can't it be called a mountain? Like, you know, it's just like, who said? Who said I can't be something, man? I say, 'cause I know I can. Okay, Miley Cyrus, for popping in my head. But, I don't know, y'all. Well, I tried to get Lovey this big ass tree. Look at it, y'all. I'm gonna get this for my rabbit. My boy, he deserved this big tree. Come on. You know you wanna come. I'm not gonna fight with you, though. Come on. Okay. Told him I wasn't gonna fight. He said, alright. Thank you, baby. Alright. I'm finna go get his food to Livy. I feel a little better. I don't feel as nauseous no more. I feel like I'm ready to eat a little something. No, I kind of came back. I ain't gonna lie. I feel like I got a burp. Nubby. Look how excited he is.
See him? You see him, cute boy?
Okay. Let's get Kamaya set up for virtual learning. Kamaya, you ready to go to school? You done with your pancakes?
Yeah.
Okay.
But I don't eat it all.
You didn't eat it all? It's okay. You had 2 big ones. Where the remote? Mommy has to pause the TV.
Nice to follow you today. Carmina, do we have anything we can give the trick-or-treaters?
Oh, my daddy.
Oh, some nice treats to keep away the tricks.
This doesn't look like candy.
It's bread. Take as much as you like.
Please. Eggs? Trick or treat.
Oh, wow. Great costumes, everybody.
Thanks, Carly. You too. You look really scary.
You got homework that we haven't
I'm not
done.
wearing a costume.
No. Trick or treat?
I'm giving out trading cards for the backstreet buses. Here, take your pick.
Whoa, that middle one looks
Okay.
just like me. Don't you think? Sure, Freddy.
Okay, so yeah, it's a couple things that we haven't done. Ooh, brown bear, what do you see? Ooh, I can't wait to do
They
that.
deserve an extra special treat.
Ooh, you got mixing colors.
4.
We're gonna make colors.
Yeah, we gonna mix colors.
What are those
Okay.
supposed to be?
I made some dolls out of recycled things from work. Because being wasteful
No, you need to tell one of the teachers.
is the thing of all.
You need to tell one of the teachers.
You want me to turn on your teachers? I'm about to.
Man, these houses stink. Well, his name is Gary Garbage. No,
You excited for class?
we've gone to all these houses and haven't gotten a single good treat.
I'm
Where do
happy
I need to go to get
I
the
do that.
candy? Corey, look,
Can I have a kiss?
I'm so sad.
that's amazing. Oh, nice costume. Yeah,
What?
you too.
What is that?
Thanks. Happy Halloween.
It says painter.
What
You just put it in
costume
there.
is
Oh,
that?
because you put the wrong stuff in mommy pancakes.
DJ
It's okay,
Train
baby.
Tracks.
It's okay. It was an accident.
As I say,
What is it, Chrissy? Do you smell something? Treats. Treats? Treats.
It's okay. Mommy forgive you.
Where are the treats, Chrissy?
Right?
A king-size candy bar wrapper. Wait, I think this is Franny's house. Franny, open up! wanted to share any of your candy. I saw the wrapper and... Yeah, wrappers. All I got is wrappers. Daddy, wait! I was obsessed, Corey. I wanted that king-size candy bar so bad that I lost track. Lost track of what really mattered. Quit, Corey. Quit before it's too late. What? I just want candy. What are you talking about? Just won't let it go, will ya? You know how the scariest houses always have the best treats? Imagine just how scary a place has to be to give out a king-size candy bar. It's the scariest thing I've ever seen, Corey.
Wait, Rico.
I really can't convince you.
Wait,
Everything
what's
you need to
the
know is up on
there.
the wall. Whoa!
One
Map
color.
of Bumperton. And that must be where the king-size candy bars are. Looks like it's all the way on
put on
the
your
other
class.
side of town.
What?
Come on.
I was checking
Let's
your
go get
homework.
that
What you
candy.
gotta do for the week.
For her? Don't say it.
Just don't say
It's
I
like
didn't warn
sad.
you.
Yeah.
When do I sad?
Go get the remote.
Corey, are you sure about this? Yeah, I'm sure.
Yep, thank you. Good job. And she stopped it at 6:33 on Netflix. Okay, do it. Good job. Now what?
Stop.
Nope. Do it. Yep.
I can't see that one. I did it.
Mhm. That one.
That one.
Press it. Good job.
One. One.
Okay, sit back. Wait.
She was doing special ed. Good afternoon, Kamaya.
Hi, Kamaya.
Oh, that is about you. You have got such a great smile.
I do. I love when you come on because she always has such a happy smile.
Ooh, what does it say? Leave a little sparkle wherever you go. Oh my goodness.
Oh, that good sparkles for me.
You do leave sparkles.
And that's a beautiful dress. Is that a dress or a skirt and a top? Is that a dress? Can I see? Or we don't want to stand up on mommy's bed.
Is it frozen?
It's a dress.
It's a dress with, are Anna and Elsa on that dress?
Yeah.
Yeah, that's very cute.
Okay, I'm sorry. Okay.
Oh, why are you shushing, Mom?
Because we're in class, right? Mom was a good helper for the classroom, though. I love your big bed. We've been talking about the 3 beds all week. So you have the baby bed, the mama bed, or the big papa bed? That's a big bed.
I know, I love that headboard. Okay. I don't even have a headboard.
No, not there.
Sit down over there.
I've never owned a headboard, really, since I've been an adult.
That's the whole part. The best part of the bed is the fancy headboard.
Well, right now I have one of those.
What color is that? What color is your top, Kamaya?
Purple.
Good.
Oh, that's a pretty
You have beautiful barrettes in your hair. You know what color? Mama put lots of colors in your hair. You got all the colors of the rainbow. I see yellow. I see purple. I see blue. I see orange. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. And then that pretty smile to go with those pretty barrettes. Oh man. Smile. Take a deep breath and blow it out. Smile. Take a deep breath and blow it out. You missed our star breathing this morning too. We started our star breathing. Do you remember how we did our new breathing?
Our balloon.
Our balloon breathing. Do you remember? We put our hands over our head. Are you ready? Okay, and we go blow it up, 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 and then let it go. Let's try it again. Let's do it again. Hands on our head.